Mathematical Physics of TIFR 2025 question paper. So the first problem states that we consider the triangle subtended on the surface of a sphere of radius 1 by joining the points 1, 2, root over 320 minus half, then root over 3 by 20 and 001 with the arcs of greater circle. The area subtended by this triangle on the surface of the sphere is. So what it is said? It is said that we have 3 points, let's say A, B, C, where A is half, 3 by 2, 0, it is minus half, root over 3 by 2, 0, and B is 0, 0, 1. This triangle and this full thing is subtended by a sphere, right? The greater circle, we need to find the area of this triangle on the surface of the sphere, right? This this is a spherical triangle, right? Whose area is given by, so this is a spherical triangle whose area is given by area equal to E equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma minus pi, right? Where alpha, beta, gamma are the internal angles, where alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the internal angles of the spherical triangle right? Measured at the surface, measured at the surface, right? So first we need to compute the angular distances between each pair. Next we need to compute the internal angles using the spherical law of cosines. Then we will sum all the angles and subtract from pi. So computing the side lengths, we have first is computing the side lengths. We have cos arc length equal to q dot v. First we need to compute the dot products between A and B, right? So A dot B equal to half minus half plus root over 3 by 2 into root over 3 by 2. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to half. The arc length, therefore, the arc length C equal to cos inverse half equal to pi by 3 between A and C, between A and C, we can write A dot C equal to 0. Hence, arc length B equal to cos inverse 0 means pi by 2 between B and C, between B and C, we can write B dot C equal to 0. Similarly, arc length pi by 2. Thus the side sides A equal to pi by 2, B equal to pi by 2, C equal to pi by 3, right? So we'll compute the angle use spherical law of cosine of angle using spherical law using spherical law of cosine of angle f cos alpha equal to cos alpha minus cos b cos c by sin b into sin c. We have already read from the theory. We have read from this theory, right? Similarly, we can write for and similarly for beta and gamma. Angle at A at point A, angle at point A can be written as cos alpha equal to cos or cos A minus cos B into cos A by sin B into sin A. Right, so we can write cos, cos pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 into cos pi by 3 divided by sin pi by 2 into sin pi by 3. Right, so we have to calculate, so it will be 0. Right, or alpha equal to, or alpha or A we will get equal to pi by 2, right? So if we calculate similarly beta will get pi by 2 and gamma will get pi by 3 because yes, we can it will be pi by 3. Now we compute the area. So now we are going to compute the area. So compute the area equal to A plus B plus gamma minus pi, so it will be pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 3 minus pi, so it will be pi by 3. So E will be pi by 3. So the answer of this problem is pi by 3. Both the solution as well as the problem is clear, and the option E of the above problem is correct.